Let's look at electrician salary in Mozambique. The average electrician income in Mozambique is around 1,130 US dollars a year. That is average annual gross salary before tax. But after tax, it drops to $960, which leaves a take-home pay of about $80 a month. While that is the nation as a whole, electrician wages are noticeably higher in big cities, so an electrician in Maputo brings home $1,130 after tax. Even though living outside the capital means lower pay, the cheaper cost of living often offsets that gap. How much does an electrician make in Mozambique when they start out? An entry-level electrician salary in Mozambique starts well below the national average, but pay goes up quickly as you gain skills. However, earnings plateau unless you move into supervision. On top of that, having a university degree makes a huge difference, and it helps you step into higher positions like electrical engineer or project manager. Finally, small local firms pay a fraction of what large national companies offer, whereas international employers pay substantially more.